Hello again, this is Priscilla Batzell, and I'm at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in Spring Hill, Florida, and this is a 12 by 16 inch canvas, and I am feeling like I want to do some very random things with some nice colors. And they might be smear swipes, is what I'm thinking. And I think it depends on where I'm putting it. I think that is a Deco Art metallic copper. This is an Artist Loft cobalt blue, which is very turquoise. And I think I'm going to try and restrain myself a little bit at the beginning and just put down 3 colors for the moment. And whatever else I want after that, I will do. Maybe 4. I might need some gold. I think the gold is coming. This is my art therapy today. It's been a rough couple days. Haven't been able to get into the studio for a while. I'm wondering if it should be black cell activator or white. And I'm really thinking purple. I'm actually thinking purple and black and white. So I'm going to do all 3 and see what happens. I'm going to use a nice little swipe card. That is an Amsterdam white in Aussie Floetrol. And that is a modern, it's a Master's Touch from Hobby Lobby. Now I've got enough cell activator on here so I can just lead these things along. And I've got some spare. I think that went in too far. So I'm going to try and appreciate that purple is just what I wanted. Thinking a little more copper in here. And maybe a little Meeden black just because I can. Because I'm using white and purple. I'm going to use my turntable brake. I'm going to take my spare colors and use them over there. And I said I might add some more colors, and so I am. And it's funny how just 4 colors can look so incredibly cool. I'm going to grab a smaller, if I can find one quickly. Oh, there's my old favorite. Let's pull that out just in case. I've got 2 sides, a longer one and a shorter one and a wider one. And I think I want to go with the wider one. And this time I'm going to use the black cell activator next to the white. Scrape that gold off. I like multi-dimensional things that go over other things. That way it gives some dimension, some depth. I kind of want to do some other strange things. You know what? I'm just going to be good. I'm going to try and be good anyway. So it's not a smear with a tool, it's just a smear with a little acetate sheet. Get my tweezers out of there. Use a little white. I'm going to use all of that without putting any cell activator on there. I think I want some more turquoise over here. Do I want a wider card? I might want that medium-sized card. This is my old clothing tag. If I put it on this way, that'll work. Let's do a double. Purple and white. Pick up my spare paint and use it. I think I quite like that, but I'm not sure what I'm going to do with these marks. Maybe just add some strange texture. Maybe not. I was good for a second. I think what I'm going to do is throw some cell activator in there. Come on, turntable. I keep forgetting I've got a brake on. Great colors. I think that wants a little black. I love combining methods, and I see no reason why I shouldn't, or anyone shouldn't. In truth, I'm going to look for spots that aren't cohesive for me. And the only one I can see right at the moment is right here, and I think that'll be easily solved. Little cell activator. I found another spot. And now I think I'm happy. I've got something that's unaffected here and a couple splotches here and there. And do I want any dots? I probably don't need them, but I actually really like them. Just a few here and there. Probably don't need them. Never stopped me before. I have over 2,200 videos, and you can find them by going to my YouTube channel to playlists, all playlists, creative playlists. And if you can't find what you're looking for, please just ask me. I'm happy to help you. A little gold right there isn't going to hurt anything. I'll let some go over the side. Oh, we got some dots whether I like them or not. No, I think that's beautiful. I'm remembering that there's little strands that pull up from this gold. I'm going to try and stop myself because I think that's absolutely beautiful. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for the donations to help keep me painting all this time. Look for the the prizes in the monthly drawing at the beginning of the exhibition video included on the end screen of all recent videos. If you would like to be in that drawing, find the PayPal icon on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner, and you'll be invited to join by dropping me a phone number. My email address is underneath the link tree. Let's zoom in on that because there's some beautiful stuff going on in there. I really like this color combination a lot. I gotta use it to do escape soon. I love that the purple cell activator showed up so well. If you have questions, please feel free to ask me. If you like what I do and you'd like to help my channel survive on YouTube, please give me a thumbs up, share my videos, watch them longer, and shop my links. My links on my link tree are Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links. But there's also pixels.com and Fine Art America. And if you can't find what you're looking for and you want to buy something that's awesome and probably as close to one of a kind as you're ever going to get, especially if you do the sliding scale and add the colors yourself, you can ask me to add something right there to pixels.com or Fine Art America. I have Legalerous. It's the top link on the link tree. And what else should I tell you? I do sell my artwork, and if you are are interested in purchasing an artwork and inquiring after information, use my email address and the hashtag in the title of the video. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students on Facebook. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery fans and collectors will take you to pixels.com and Fine Art America. Expressionist Art, that was the opposite. Expressionist Art Studio fans and collectors is for fans and collectors. Expressionist Art Studio Totes and More is for pixels.com and Fine Art America. Can't talk anymore. Gotta stop. And my Amazon link is a great place to shop, and it helps me out by you starting there. I'm going to give up in a second, but it's on the link tree, and there's all kinds of great stuff that I've made on lists there, tools and stuff. So I will talk to you anon. Hope to see you again soon. I post 7 days a week at the moment, twice a day in fact, 9:30 a.m. and 10 p.m. There's no way to know if that's going to stay. Don't forget to check spring clothing under the video. You can have anything that you find that's not there already added if you'd like to. And if you inquire about something that you'd like to have added and it's there, then I'll give you a link. I'll give you links to anything I can possibly help you with. I'm just trying to survive. So thank you guys. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and I do go on, don't I? All right, so if you have inquiries, you know where to go. It's EASPB and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com. I will see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out. I love you all. You inspire the heck out of me.